ANKR is officially in the buy range, in my opinion. Right now, it's currently sitting at 13.37 cents, as we can see here on this red candle. We're going to go over a technical analysis. We're going to go over what ANKR is. ANKR, of course, is an altcoin, but we're going to get a little bit more specific into that, as well as any updates with the ANKR coin. And that's basically it, and as well as, of course, price predictions going forward. So recently I've done a couple of videos on ANKR and you guys seem to be really enjoying it. So all I ask is, if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, and it's not even been a year since I created this YouTube channel. Smash thumbs up as well if you enjoyed this video. So let's get right into it. So of course, ANKR hosts a variety of solutions for blockchain protocols for staking nodes or developing using the Web3 infrastructure, as well as using the novel Ethereum 2, which, of course, as you may know, a lot of transactions with, for example, non-fungible tokens run on the Ethereum network, and Ethereum 2 is basically Ethereum 1 on steroids, so a faster, more efficient way of processing and deploying the blockchain technology to ensure transactions. So ANKR is basically a way, of course, where you can stake nodes, basically where you can put your Ethereum in a holding where pretty much you can earn interest on your Ethereum here. Okay, so the way to do that is, of course, you basically click this link, and then this takes you to a site right here. As we can see right here, there are close to 2,700 stakers for a total of 48,259 Ethereum staked. And I think you need to at least stake 0.5 of an Ethereum token or a coin, which is right now, I think, probably around $2,500 minimum. So basically what you need to do is launch app and connect through these different wallets. And then I think it's pretty easy to stake some Ethereum. So I'm going to go deeper into that later or in another video. But basically it's partnered with over 40 blockchains, trusted blockchains such as Polkadot. And it is, again, a trusted technology and a new altcoin that I think will do really well in the future. So right now, of course, we can see the one-day chart. It hit all the way high to 15 cents, and now it's at 13.37 cents. As we can see, it's just under a 1 billion market cap, and transaction value, the trading volume is up by 43% over the past day. So again, I'm really liking ANKR at these levels. I might wait for it to drop to, again, like below 13 cents potentially, and then I may buy, of course, some ANKR, some highly anticipated. I've been talking about buying it, and I think I might have to pull the trigger. I'm just a very cautious investor, yeah, I mean, that's yeah. And so they have a max supply of 10 billion ANKR coins currently in circulation. Right now they have 7 billion ANKR coins in circulation, and of course their market cap right now is just under $1 billion at 935 million. So let's go over and take a look at the technicals, which I update every other day. And so here, of course, we can see there right now the sitting price is at 13.3 cents, and basically the purple and turquoise line right here are Bollinger Bands, and what that means is 2 standard deviations above and below the 21-day moving average. And basically, as we can see with the recent trend lines, as soon as the candle goes above the Bollinger Band, the top Bollinger Band, the price tends to decrease of the altcoin. But as soon as the candle touches or goes below the lower Bollinger Band, that's when it tends to bounce off that and reach a new high. And of course, we can see this happen again and again. So it's sort of, again, up and down cycle. And these are one-day candlesticks as well. So right now here we can see that it could be a potentially good time to buy since it's going towards and nearing the lower Bollinger Band. If you're a cautious investor, you should wait for one of these whiskers to actually surpass the lower Bollinger Band at probably around like just under 13 cents, which I'll probably wait to do, and then initiate a position. And if I just minimize this window here, we can see right now the relative strength index is sitting at sort of like a 30, which indicates that it's oversold. And whenever the altcoin goes to around a 30 on the relative strength index, that's when a bullish pattern forms. As we can see here, the last time that it was at around a 30, the altcoin actually popped off and went from 12.5 cents all the way to 17 cents. Okay, so again, you do want to buy when the relative strength index is at around a 30 and the Bollinger Band is touching or surpassing the lower line right here. So that's just, again, the way that I'm trading ANKR coin. And again, I do believe in the long-term future of this. So although that I'm using technicals to buy in the stock, I won't necessarily sell out of the stock so easily. But again, I do like ANKR coin just because it's basically, think of like cloud computing applications, but again, it's using that cloud computing application on a decentralized sort of network. Okay, so instead of having to pay the big guys such as Amazon, AWS, or Microsoft Azure, you can actually run the cloud network with free computing power on again, a decentralized type platform, which is what the blockchain technology is all about. And of course, some people are saying that this ANKR Web 3.0 and Ethereum 2.0 is mainly just marketing hype and but I do think that they are developing their, first of all, they're hiring people. So if we go to their Twitter feed, they're hiring people, for example, to become a developer evangelist, and also they're hiring, I think, like computer science people as well to develop their nodes and develop their Ethereum 2.0 network. And again, I think that this is legit. Of course, there are concerns that right now it's just all playing off of hype, marketing hype and all that. But I do think that as ANKR develops, it's relatively new, that more and more people will trust ANKR and will stake with them, etc. So right now they're all close to 1,100K followers, which would be a definite milestone. I mean, just past week, I think they just surpassed 90,000 followers, and they do have Sunday updates where they did the WBNB ANKR pair live on PancakeSwap, liquidity trading on Uniswap, hit 90,000 followers, and explained the meaning of internet bond and their hiring. So I mean, that's basically it for ANKR coin. And again, right now, I think that if it dips below 13 cents, touches the lower Bollinger Band, you should definitely buy some ANKR. Again, but I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence. This is a risky investment. You may lose some or all of your initial investment. So again, please do your investment. I'm just trying to show you what I would be willing to do. And I could see this, again, fluctuating from once it hits 12 cents. It could even go below that. But then I could see it going back up to 17 cents and potentially even 22 cents where it was near its highs right here. And then even surpassing it and potentially going to 50 cents to $1 by end of year. All right, so that's all for me today. Please be sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. Please also check out a couple links down below in the description. So for example, if you click on one of my videos and you can go to free Discord link right here. If you're Canadian, you want to trade stocks and Bitcoin and Ethereum, Wealthsimple app right here, you get $10 towards your next trade, and real-time buy and sell orders right here. So and also my social media there. So yeah, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you like, what you dislike, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.